Here we go, let me tell you about Mami's Cocina. Got the skills in the kitchen, yeah, she's a diva. Good cooking up recipes that'll make you salivate. From the moment you watch, she just can't wait. She's got the flavor, she's got the spice. With every dish she makes, it's like a rolling dice. Mami's Cocina, she's the queen of the stove, serving up the tastiest treats that you'll ever know.
Hola! Hello everyone! Kamusta? This is Mami and welcome back to my channel, Mami's Cocina. Hey Cocineras! Today we're making a delicious and impressive dish, Chicken Florentine. This dish may sound Italian, but it's actually French. It features tender chicken breasts in a creamy spinach sauce, making it perfect for a special occasion or a cozy weeknight meal. But for this video, we're using bone-in chicken in case you don't have chicken breast and you're craving that restaurant-worthy chicken Florentine. Follow along as we make a succulent version using bone-in chicken pieces. The bones add depth and don't require any fancy prep work. Stay tuned for a delicious twist on this classic dish. Are you ready?
Let me tell you about Mami's Cocina. Got the skills in the kitchen, yeah, she's a diva. Good cooking up recipes that'll make you salivate. From the moment you watch, you just can't wait. She's got the flavor, she's got the spice. With every dish she makes, it's like a rolling dice. Mami's Cocina, she's the queen of the stove, serving up the tastiest treats that you'll ever know. Here we go, let me tell you about Mami's Cocina. Got the skills in the kitchen, yeah, she's a diva. Good cooking up recipes that'll make you salivate. From the moment you watch, you just can't wait. She's got the flavor, she's got the spice. With every dish she makes, it's like a rolling dice. Mami's Cocina, she's the queen of the stove, serving up the tastiest treats that you'll ever know. Hit that like, hit that subscribe. Mami's Cocina, she's keeping it alive. From breakfast to dinner, everything in between.
That's it for this delicious bone-in chicken Florentine. If you enjoyed this video, please don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to my channel for more delicious food adventures. Also, our Mami's Cocina's chicken oil will be available online very soon. Gracias, hasta pronto, adios!